In this video, we'll compare two air purifiers from the same company, the Medify MA-15 and the Medify MA-25. These air purifiers are slightly different in construction, but with the same filtration technology and identical features. Keep watching and find out which Medify performed better in our tests, and which one is our best buy recommendation. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The Medify MA-25 is a slightly bigger unit and it covers rooms up to 210 square feet, while the MA-15 is intended for rooms up to 138 square feet. These air purifiers will clean the air 4.8 times in their recommended room size. Both are made of good quality plastic and have touch buttons located on the top. What stands out on the Medify MA-25 is the top panel made of tempered glass. When discussing filtration, both use 3-stage dual filters located on the sides. What makes these air purifiers competitive is a lifetime warranty, which is available only if you subscribe to regular filter replacement via the Medify website. There's not much to say when speaking of features, as they have the same built-in features. Both devices have a timer, dimmer, filter reset indicator, and display lock options. You can find more information on these two air purifiers at airpurifierfirst.com. Although their construction is almost identical and the dual filters are located on the sides, their airflow is slightly different. They draw in air through the openings on the sides, which is then filtered and exits through the grills on top in the case of the Medify MA-15, and through the openings on the front in the case of the Medify MA-25. The Medify MA-15 and MA-25 use a dual filter consisting of a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. On both units, the filters are located on the sides. The first stage of filtration is a pre-filter. The second stage is a true HEPA filter. And the last stage is an activated carbon filter. As they have very small filters, having two of them is the reason for excellent results in our performance tests. We especially like that they use a true HEPA filter, which is the essential filtration stage. These air purifiers are CARB certified, do not produce ozone, and are 100% safe. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. In this section, we compare the noise levels both devices produce at all speeds. According to noise measurements, they're very quiet at first speeds, where the Medify MA-15 produces a sound of 41.2 dBA, and the MA-25 produces a sound of 41.8 dBA. These two have 3 fan speeds, making this test much easier. Despite not having a sleep mode option, they're quiet enough to use in the bedroom without any trouble. However, the situation is slightly different at max speeds, where they are a bit louder, and it could be hard being in the same room when any of them work at the peak speed. Overall, the MA-15 is a slightly quieter air purifier. When speaking about power usage, we must say that these two are not huge power consumers. The Medify MA-15 uses a motor of 25 watts, while the Medify MA-25 uses a motor of 28 watts. If you were to leave them working at max speeds 24 hours daily for 1 month, the Medify MA-15 would increase your electrical bill by about $2, while the Medify MA-25 would increase your electrical bill by about $2.30. But there's a filter replacement cost, which is a bit more expensive for both air purifiers, but still a bit affordable in the case of the Medify MA-15. So, if we summarize all the costs, we can conclude that the Medify MA-15 is more affordable to maintain annually. The performance tests are maybe the most exciting part of the comparison. As we said in the beginning, the Medify MA-15 covers rooms up to 138 square feet, and the MA-25 covers slightly larger rooms of 210 square feet. According to their room coverage, we tested them in different room sizes. In the first test, in a room of 194 square feet, the Medify MA-15 improved the air quality by about 92%, working at the max speed for 60 minutes. While under the same conditions, the MA-25 improved the air quality by about 94%. All in all, they had outstanding results and showed excellent efficiency in the performance tests. In the following seconds, you'll see which one cleaned the smoke from the smoke box faster. Since they don't have many distinctions, we could easily declare a draw, but there are still minor differences in the test results. Even though the Medify MA-25 is a bigger unit and had slightly better results in the performance tests, we choose the Medify MA-15 as a better buying option. It's a bit quieter, uses less power, and what we like the most is that the MA-15 directs air upward instead of in front. You won't go wrong if you decide to buy the MA-25, but we prefer the MA-15 a bit more. See the detailed comparison at airpurifierfirst.com. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.